So for our materials, we will use cotton milk yarn, any color you want, but I want to follow the color palette of this 3 doily coaster. So turning needle, 2.5 hook, and a pair of scissors. So let's begin. So we will start with a slip knot. So the easiest slip knot, I'm always teaching this to every video that I'm doing. So we will do like this, like that, and then we will insert here inside. Like this. That's the easiest slip knot. So once we have our slip knot, we can connect it to our hook. So we can do 6 chain. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once we have our 6 chain, we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need to go inside the first chain. So this is the first chain. So we need to go inside, and we have to do a slip stitch. There. So as you can notice, there will be a hole inside that one. That is the hole. So now we will proceed to the next round. So now we will do 3 chain. So 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Then this chain is counted as a chain. So now we will do 19 double crochet going inside in this hole. So first we will yarn over, we will go inside the hole, we can do the double crochet. So 1, 1, go inside the hole, 2, 3. So while you're making the double crochet, make sure that the tail, this tail, is included. So later, no need for us to sew. So one more time before we end. So one more double crochet. There. So see at the end part, we will just continue double crochet till we reach the total of 19 double crochet. Our chain. So we will count the first 3 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we should have total of 20 with our slip stitch. So this is the 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. So we will go on the 3rd chain. Now we will do the slip stitch. Make sure to tighten. Now we will proceed to the next part. We have to do 3 chain. So 1, 2, 3. This is counted as a chain. On the next chain here, we can do 1 double crochet. then chain 2, 1, 2. On the next chain, we have to do double crochet again. And then another double crochet. And then chain 2, 1, 2. So we will just repeat this until the end. So see you guys. Now we will do the slip knot. So we need to find the 3 chain. So this is our 3 chain. So 1, 2, 3. So we will do the slip knot here. There. So on the third row, we have to do 3 chain. So 1, 2, 3. So this 3 chain is counted as a chain. So we will start from here in this space. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and then we have to do 2 chain. So after that, we will do again on the same space 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Then on the next space, this space, we will proceed again with the same pattern, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 2 chain, and then 2 double crochet on the same space, 1, 2. So we will just follow the same pattern. See you at the end part. So we are on the last part of the row, so we'll just proceed with the pattern. So 1 double crochet, 2, then 2 chain, 1, 2, and then 1 double crochet. So only one we have to do, since this 3 chain is counted as a chain. So we have to just connect and do the slip stitch. So we have to find our third chain. So 1, 2, 3. So this is our third chain. We have to do the slip stitch. There. So next, so we are on the last row. So we have to do 3 chains. So 1, 2, 3. Then we will do a slip stitch in the middle of this here. In this space, we have to do the slip stitch. So insert your hook and do the slip stitch. There. And on the second space here, this space, we have to do 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 double crochet, and on the next space here, in this space, we can do again the slip stitch. And in this space, the following space here, we can do our 6 double crochet. We can just continue the same pattern until the end. So see you at the end part. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we are on the last part of the row. So I did a slip stitch here, and in this last space we have to do 5 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to connect to our 3 chain. So where is our 3 chain? Our 3 chain is in this side, this one. So 1, 2, 3. So we can connect here to finish off this row. Yeah. Then don't forget to chain 1. And we can cut off the yarn. Tighten it. So now we have to just hide this small tail. So we need to hide. Now just to cut off the excess yarn, excess tail.